Wow. When I was your age, we had phones with cords attached to the wall. In 50 years, everything will be so different.
I know! Do you think people will have flying cars?
Oh, absolutely, it will happen. People will travel through the sky instead of on roads. The government will build special sky lanes for them.
That's so cool! So, in the future, on a Monday morning, people won't be sitting in traffic.
Exactly. And what about chores? Robots will do all the housework. They will wash the dishes, and they will clean the floors.
You mean while I'm at school, a robot will be cleaning my room for me? Awesome!
You won't lift a finger and school will change too. Students won't use paper books at all.
You're right. In 20 years, we will be learning everything from holograms. Can you imagine? The teacher will be standing right in my bedroom as a 3D image.
A hologram teacher? I'm not sure I will like that. I prefer real people.
Don't worry, Grandpa. I think even with all the new technology, some things will stay the same. We will still be visiting you every Sunday.
I hope so. That's a future that I will enjoy very much.